Introducing HS75T Hot-Swappable Wireless Mechanical Keyboard. Programmable buttons and knobs allow you to change the function of them to your liking. The 5-way navigation knob can adjust the brightness and speed of the lights, or you can program it for whatever you desire it to do. With the hot-swappable switches, it allows you to change the switches to your preference. The legs on the underside of the keyboard allow you to adjust the angle of it to your preference. Work and play with the world of RGB lighting. With 16.8 million LED colors, choose from 21 preset lighting modes. Explore 3 options of 2.4G, wired, or Bluetooth. With its portable design, it allows you to take it wherever you go. Compatible for up to 5 devices. Switch between devices effortlessly with the keys FN plus QWERT. With its 4,000 mAh lithium battery, you can enjoy 100 hours of use. Create custom functions with your keyboard with ease using the app. Change the colors of your keyboard with the app and create custom light patterns. Change between different languages for optimal use.